are correct. We use our 10 frames to help us with counting. So then you learn how to do something called, it helps with learning how to subitize. Remember, anybody remember I told you guys about that word last week? To subitize, meaning if you see your 10 frame with these dots in it, you don't always have to count them. Sometimes you can just look at that and you know how many dots are there. Three. It helps you with just looking at the number and being able to tell what that number is. All right, so this week we are going to learn about something. Well, before I tell you the name of it, I'm just going to draw it and I want you guys to tell me if you know what it is or if you've ever seen it before. Can anyone tell me what this is?
One.
It is a 1. It can be looked at as a 1. It's definitely a 1. Anybody else have an idea what this could be? Zoe? A 1? It is an L. Mr. McKinney said it could be an L. It could be an L. But what if I did this? What if I put another one there? What is it now? Ava?
11.
Maybe. It looks like 11 to me. Skylar, what do you think it is?
11.
11. So we have a few people thinking it's 11. So what if I did this though? What is it now? You don't know, Zoe? You know what it is? It could be 111. But no, guys, I'll tell you what these are. These are called tally marks. They're tallies. So each one represents one tally mark. So you know how we learned how to use our 10 frame to count with? Tally marks are used the same way. We use them to count. So this just shows me that this is one tally mark that identifies one thing. So let me count how many of you guys I have online today. So I have myself, we have Janera, Zoe, Savannah, Mr. McKinney, Ryan, Ava, Sophia M, Memphis, and Skylar. So for each one of you, I am going to use a tally mark to represent us. So this first one is going to be me. So that's me. So then we have, that'll be easier. So first we have me. Then we have, I'll put Janera here. Then we have Zoe, Savannah, Mr. McKinney, Ryan, Ava, Sophia M, Skylar, and Memphis. These are all tally marks used to identify the number of people that we have online today. So each one just equals 1. Everybody understand that? That's pretty simple, right? Okay, but then here's where it gets a little tricky. You ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready for the tricky part. All right, so when we group tally marks, we group them in groups of 5. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 people online today. So we wouldn't just put 10 tally marks like this. We have to group these in 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's our first set of 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. our second set of 5, sorry. But again, guys, this is not how we leave this. So I'm going to show you. So listen up, because this part is very important. So when you're counting tally marks, when you get to the 5th one, it crosses over. So I'm going to use 5 of you as an example. So we have Sophia M, we have Ava, we have Memphis, we have Skylar, and then we have Ryan. So how many tally marks do we have there? Somebody tell me how many tally marks we have here in total. Ava?
5.
Ava, do you know? I heard someone, Memphis, giving you a hint down there. 5. We have 5. Remember, this one that crosses over is still a tally mark. It just has to cross. So somebody tell me, I had Sophia here, Janera, Savannah, I think I did, I don't know, Skylar, I'll say, and then Ryan crossed us over. And now I want to add Mr. McKinney. Can anybody tell me where I need to put Mr. McKinney? Where do you think I'm going to put Mr. McKinney as a tally mark? Zoe?
On the side.
Very good. Yes, Mr. McKinney goes here because this is a new group of 5. Would I just cross Mr. McKinney over here? No, very good, very good. I would not cross Mr. McKinney there because your tally mark to end that group, you only need that 1/5 tally mark there, okay? All right, so if I had 3 donuts, so I have 3 donuts, do I show my donuts using tally marks like this? 1, 2, 3. Is that right?
No.
No, you guys are correct. That's not right because which tally mark can I cross? Can I cross my 3rd one? It needs to be which number? 5. It needs to be the 5th one in the set. So I have 5 donuts from Krispy Kreme. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sense? Give me a thumbs up if you guys understand. All right, great. That makes me so happy. All right, so we said we had these 5 people here, and then Zoe told us that we needed to put Mr. McKinney here. So then where do I put myself? Skylar, where do I put myself?
Next to next to.
Do I put myself here or over here?
That way.
This way? Awesome. Yes, I go next to Mr. McKinney because now it's 7 of us. So then also, so let's say our friend who's not here today. Okay, so let's say our friend Silas comes. Will I put him here or will I put him over here? Would Silas go over here or would he go here? Zoe?
Over here.
Over here next to me? Great job. All right, and then another one of our friends comes and I would put him here too. But then what if another friend comes? Do I just put it here? I see some yeses and some nos. Savannah, where would I put my last friend?
On the bottom.
On the bottom? So would I put my friend down here?
No.
No, not down there. To the side. Very good, Sophie. Hold on, no, hold up. What you mean to the side?
This.
So draw with your hand which way my last friend would go. Would my friend go up and down or would my friend go this way? Very good. I see a bunch of you showing me, yes, my friend would go that way because this is 5 and this is 5. Remember, whenever we get to that fifth one, we always cross it over, okay? So I'm going to show you guys a quick video of getting into tally marks a little deeper. So I want you guys to pay attention, and at this point, I want you to mute yourselves so that everyone can hear the video really well, okay?
Okay.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct. Hello, welcome back. Today we have a new worksheet, and the worksheet is called Zoo Tally Chart. But I want to talk to you first about why we're doing this. We're using a system called tally marks. And the reason that we're doing that is it is a way to help us organize data or information that we're given. And information can be numbers, it can be objects, it can be people, it can be ideas. There's all kinds of things that we could have to organize. In this case, today, we're going to be organizing information about our animals over here. But I want to talk to you about tally marks. So I want you to look over here at the whiteboard. I'm going to write tally marks on the board. But I want to really explain why we have tally marks and how it helps us to organize information. So let's say that let's say you have 11 objects or 11 elephants or 11 whatever. You can imagine what it is. But we have 11 of something. Now, there's a couple of ways of writing it out. You can write it out numerically, which means you can write it out like this. You can write out the number 11, okay? And another way to keep track of things is with tally marks, okay? And these are what tally marks are. Basically, they are marks that tell us how many of each object there are. So for example, if I were to have 11 objects, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, if I were just to glance at this and I didn't know it was 11, I would have to go through and count each one of these little marks to know it was 11. And that might be fine with 11, but what happens if it's 110? Oh my goodness, then we've got a lot, don't we? And we'd have to go through and we'd have to count all of those. But tally marks are actually a better way of writing out a number. Instead of making all these little teeny tiny marks that we have to count each time we look at a number, they've made a special way to do it whereby fives, they organize the numbers. So for example, instead of writing 11 like this, you can write it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now our fives, just these two right here, are squished together. So we can automatically see that these are fives. So we can go 5, 10, and then add 1 to it, which is 11, like this. So this is the way that we use tally marks. This is tally marks, not like this, but like this, where we have them divided into little groups of 5, and then we add more onto it if we have bigger numbers. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look at our directions, and we're going to use the tally marks to help us figure out the answer. So it says, count and tally the animals, check the correct total. So down here it says giraffes, and it wants to know how many giraffes there are. And we've got several choices for tally marks here. So we need to count how many giraffes there are. So I want you to count with me. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And actually, that just happens to be the number that I did for the example. So 11 looks like this. It's got 5, 10, and then one more. So let's see if we can find it. We've got 5, 10, 11. This is it. But let's see our other options. We've got 5 plus 1 is 6, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer is 11. So we're going to put a check right here next to these tally marks. The next one is elephants. Let's count the elephants. How many elephants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 6 elephants. So 6 would be a group of 5 plus 1. So we've got, here's 5. Well, that's not the right answer. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not the right answer. Here's 5 plus 1 is 6. So here's our right answer. That is our correct tally marks. And then down at the bottom, it's asking for monkeys. How many monkeys are there? Well, let's count the monkeys. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, let's check and see if there's a better answer. We've got 5, 10, or we've got 5, 6. Nope, it's going to be 8. So I'm going to put the check right down here. 8 monkeys. Great job today with your tally marks. I know that's kind of a new and different way of organizing information, but it really helps. Visually, when we see those 5s, we know right away that that's a group of 5, and that's a great way to organize your numbers. Great job today. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.
All right, guys. So, did you enjoy that quick video about tally marks? She helped explain it a little better, right? All right, and just give me a thumbs up. Raise your hand if you have your dry erase marker or your pen and paper near you. If you have something to write with near you, raise your hand.
Excuse me.
Who's that talking? Everybody have something? Aiden, you have something to write with?
No.
All right, I need you to grab something to write with for me.
I don't have nothing.
Go grab something. Go grab a pen, a paper, and a crayon or a dry erase board. Something that you can write with really quickly.
I just got my stuff.
Okay, awesome, Skylar. Thank you. I see Ryan grabbing his. You guys are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so now before I let you guys go to get started on your work, I'm going to give you a pop quiz.
That is so quick.
It's going to be a...
Right now I'm just eating cereal with my cousin. No. No.
I'm going to give you a quick
No. No.
pop quiz to see if you guys understand. All right, so I'm going to show a number, and then when I show the number, I want you to show me that number in tally marks. So I'll do an example for you so that you understand exactly what I'm saying. All right, so the number I'm going to give myself is 3. So now I'm going to show you all 3 in tally marks. Everybody see that?
Yeah.
All right, so now it's your turn. I'm going to show you a number, and then I want you to show me what it looks like in tally marks. All right, so show me this number using tally marks.
Cross over. 1, 2, 3. Did you not pay attention?
And once you got it, hold it up. Ava, can you hold yours a little closer to the screen? Good job, thanks. Ryan, I see yours. Great job. Great job. Sophia, hold yours up.
You see mom.
Memphis, I see yours. Awesome job. Sophia, awesome. All right, somebody up here in the top corner. I can't remember who's right there. I can't see your face. Savannah. Okay, Savannah. I'm gonna show you where you made a small little mistake, okay? Oh, that's Janera down there. I couldn't see Janera. Good job. This is where you made a small little mistake, okay?
Okay.
So remember, we cut our groups of 5 off. So just think about once you get to 5, That's how you end it. So when you got to 5, that's your 5th one. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay? Okay? Everybody get that? You ready for the next one? All right. Your next number is
Make it big so that she can see it.
Savannah, I want you to go back and count your tally marks. Count them as you're making them.
6.
See, you have, what's this number though?
I'm gonna go.
4, so you have too many.
I got racing board. I got racing board.
Okay, I see Ryan has his. Great job. Janera, great job. Sophia, remember, we only cross when we have 5 or more. So you only have 4, so you don't need to cross. Good job, Ava. Same with you, Memphis. We only have 4, so you don't need to cross just yet.
Why did you change it? Why did you change that?
Skylar, same with you. We don't cross until we get to 5.
Why did you change it?
So 4 just looks like this.
I saw the one you changed it.
So see my board? So you count as you're making your tally marks. You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I was going to 5, then I would cross that 5 and then keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each time you get to that 5th mark in that set, that's when you cross. If you don't get all the way up to 5, you don't need to cross. Good job. I love how you fixed that, Memphis. All right, I'm going to give you, we're going to try 2 more. This one's going to be a little more tricky. Good job, Savannah.
After the
8, guys. Remember, that's all I want you to do is try your best. As long as you're trying your best, I'm happy. Remember, we cross it at the 5th one. Don't forget that. We cross at number 5. Go, Ava. Go, Ava. Great job. Good job, Ryan. Great job, Janera. Good job, Sophia. Same with you, Skylar. Good job. Good job, Memphis. All right, Savannah, what do you think I'm going to tell you? What do you think you just made one little small mistake? It's so small. Remember, when you count your 5th one, you cross that 5th one over. You got to remember that part. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? See, Mr. McKinney has it. Everybody see Mr. McKinney's?
Hi.
Hey, Siobhan.
Hi.
Aiden.
Time.
Yes, we can see. Okay, all right, so we're going to try another one. You ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're ready for another one. All right, we're actually going to do 2 more. I know I said 2 more last time, but we're going to do 2 more. Your next one is the number
1.
Good job, Savannah.
I didn't watch how. Yes.
Skylar, where's your 1? I need you to move it away from the rest of them so I can see. Put it under those. Show me your 1 tally under your 8.
My 1 is not number 3.
I need you, show me, how do you show 1 tally mark?
I did 1 tally.
I know, put it under that one. You see where you have the 8? I want you to show me 1 tally mark under that.
Oh.
Janera, can you hold yours up a little closer? Can't see. What color are you writing with? Oh, I see it. There it is. 1. Good job. Sophia, good job. Ava, good job. Memphis, good job. Good job, guys. Good job. Aiden, hold yours up. There we go. Great job. I see yours, Skylar. Great job. All right, and then this is the last one. You guys ready? Show me 10 using your tally marks. Ooh, I see Memphis got hers up there really quickly, and they're right. Great job. Great job, Janera.
When it's 4, you can't cross it out. You have to do it over, start over. At 5, that's when you make it.
Ryan, good job. Savannah, go girl. Good job, Sophia.
You can make the cross. The cross is fine. Alright. From 5, where do you go?
To 10.
No, okay.
Look.
Hold yours up. Oh, I see it, Ava. Good job.
Miss Larissa, what do I have to do?
We're making tally marks based off of the numbers that I give. Shavam, you're going to have to watch our video. You got it?
Now do what the teacher is telling you to do.
Got it.
You got it? All right, I'm just waiting on 2 people. Aiden and Shavam, can you turn your board so I can see it?
I can't.
Oh, you have a big board. Okay, good job. Good job, Aiden. Nope, one thing you're missing, Aiden. So you have your first set of 5 there, which is good. But your second set, look at your second set. Remember, we crossed that 5th one over. So you're just missing that small piece on your second set. Good job, Zoe. Skylar, move yours over just a little bit more so I can see it. Same thing with you. You have your first 5, but on your second 5, you didn't cross it over. So you have to cross over that 5 on that second one. So for this one, I'm going to show you guys how you do it.
I got easy.
All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember that 5 crosses, but we keep counting because we have to go all the way up to 10. So So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 using tally marks looks like this. And remember how I talked to you guys about we want to learn how to count without actually having to count? When you guys see this, without counting those tally marks, you already know that this is how many? 5. You already know that this is always, once you see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and that cross over there to make 5, you can look at this and you already will know that this is 5 there and then 5 there. And who can tell me what 5 plus 5 is? 10. So without even counting these, you could just look at that and be like, oh, Miss Roberts, that's 10, okay? And then move on to the next. But we'll get better with that. So if you feel that you understand tally marks and you feel strongly about going on and do your work, give me a thumbs up. If you feel like, I need some practice, give me this sideways thumb. And it's okay if you need some practice. We all need practice. We can't do things just right off the bat the first time. It's okay. If you feel like you're lost and you don't know what's going on, you don't know where you are, give me a thumbs down.
That's not true.
All right. So it's okay. We just learned this today. It's okay if you need more practice. All right. So I'm going to let you guys go to start your work for today. We will continue practicing these for the rest of this week. So don't worry about it. And the Nearpod that you guys have to complete today is going to go over these things again. So don't even worry about it. Okay? So everybody's ready to go have a quick brain break, shake your brains out, and then get started on your work? All right, well, I will see you guys later. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
I got something for you. Let me show you.
All right. Good job, Savannah. 5 plus 5 is 10.
I just guessed it. Like,
All right, bye, guys. See you later. You can go ahead and exit.
Bye.
Bye.